How's it going, everyone? It's Blake with the GR Auto Gallery, bringing you this new 1953 Dodge truck that we have here, just added to our inventory. This car's got a inline 6 with a 3-speed on the tree. It's got beautiful red single stage paint on it, which just looks incredible. Everything on this truck was finished to a very high level of detail. No visible issues on the paintwork here. The interior's in similar condition. Everything in here's all been redone and updated to a very high standard. You can see the engine bay. The theme is continued of no expense spared and doing it right. This is definitely a truck here. You're not going to find one done to this level very frequently, and make sure to check out our website where we've got over 100 photos of this truck, and be sure to let us know if you have any additional questions.